Your instincts are very good, Charlie. This is a new Kindle. This new Kindle is 21% smaller in terms of area, even though it has the same display size.
Right.
7-inch IPS display, ultra-wide viewing angle, fast dual-core processor.
Want to make money with your first ebook on Amazon? Welcome to Moneymaker, where I'll show you exactly how to crush it step by step, from picking a profitable niche to launching and marketing your ebook. Whether you're a writer or not, I've got you covered with tips, tools, and insider secrets. Let's get started. Choose a profitable niche. The first step in creating a successful ebook is choosing a profitable niche. It's crucial to select a topic that people are actively searching for, while also ensuring it's something you're passionate about, as this will make the writing process more enjoyable and authentic. Start by researching what's trending or looking at existing bestsellers on Amazon to get an idea of what readers are interested in. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or Keyword Planner to identify popular topics with consistent demand. A profitable niche is often one that combines both broad interest and low competition, something specific enough to stand out, but not so narrow that it has a limited audience. For example, rather than writing a generic book on fitness, you might target a more specific niche, like fitness for busy moms or yoga for beginners over 50. The key is to strike the right balance between demand and competition. Once you've chosen your niche, ensure that there's enough room for you to add value, whether through unique insights, personal experience, or actionable advice. A great niche can make all the difference in how well your ebook performs on Amazon. Write or outsource your ebook. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to write or outsource your ebook. If you're confident in your writing skills and enjoy the process, writing the book yourself is a great option. Start by creating an outline that breaks down your ebook into manageable chapters or sections, making it easier to tackle one part at a time. Set aside dedicated writing time and aim to write consistently, even if it's just a few hundred words a day. However, if writing isn't your strength or you're short on time, you can always outsource the writing to a freelancer. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Reedsy have experienced writers who can help bring your vision to life. When working with a freelancer, be sure to communicate your expectations clearly, providing them with a detailed outline, examples of your desired style, and specific guidelines for tone and content. Alternatively, AI tools like ChatGPT can help speed up the process by generating content for you. Simply give the AI a clear prompt, like a chapter or section outline, and let it provide a first draft. However, always remember that you'll need to refine and personalize the content to ensure it fits your voice and is valuable to your readers. Whether you write it yourself or hire a professional, make sure the content is high quality, engaging, and provides real value to your audience. Format your ebook. Once your ebook is written, the next step is formatting it to ensure it looks professional and is easy to read on Kindle devices. A well-formatted ebook not only looks great, but also ensures a smooth reading experience for your audience. Start with a clean, simple design. Use a readable font like Arial, Times New Roman, or Georgia, and make sure your text is properly organized with headings, subheadings, and clear paragraphs. Pay special attention to spacing and alignment to ensure your content is visually appealing. It's also important to include a clickable table of contents, especially for longer ebooks, so readers can easily navigate to specific sections. Tools like Scrivener, Vellum, and Kindle Create are excellent for formatting your ebook. Scrivener is great for organizing your content, while Vellum allows you to create a beautiful layout with minimal effort, especially for authors who want a professional look without a designer. Kindle Create, on the other hand, is a free tool from Amazon that can help you format your ebook specifically for Kindle devices. After formatting, always preview your ebook on different devices to ensure everything looks just right. Proper formatting might seem like a small detail, but it can make a huge difference in how your ebook is perceived by readers. Create an attractive cover. Your ebook cover is one of the first things readers will see, and a great cover can make all the difference in whether or not they decide to click on your book. A professional, eye-catching cover will help your ebook stand out in Amazon's crowded marketplace. Start by keeping your design simple, yet striking. Choose bold, readable fonts for the title, and ensure that the cover image aligns with your ebook's theme and message. Tools like Canva are perfect for beginners and offer ready-made templates to help you get started. If you're looking for a more polished, unique design, you can hire a freelance designer through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. When designing your cover, consider factors like color psychology. Bright colors like red and yellow can evoke energy and excitement, while blues and greens tend to feel calming and trustworthy. Upload to Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your ebook is polished and ready, it's time to get it published on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing. Start by signing in or creating an account on KDP, which is Amazon's self-publishing platform. Once logged in, click on Create a New Title to begin the process. You'll need to upload your ebook manuscript in formats like .docs, .pdf, or EPUB, ensuring it's well formatted for Kindle readers. After that, upload your book cover, which can either be designed separately using tools like Canva or created within KDP's Cover Creator. The next step involves adding important metadata, your book title, subtitle, if applicable, and a compelling description that grabs potential readers' attention. You'll also need to add keywords. This is crucial because it helps your ebook appear in search results. Choose your keywords carefully based on what people are likely to search for when looking for content in your niche. Setting the right pricing is also an important decision. You can choose between the 35% or 70% royalty option based on your price range. Don't forget to enroll in KDP Select if you want to take advantage of promotional tools like Kindle Unlimited, but note that enrolling in KDP Select means you cannot sell your ebook elsewhere. Finally, after reviewing everything, hit the publish button, and within 24 to 48 hours, your ebook will be live on Amazon, ready for readers to discover and buy. Market your ebook. Now that your ebook is live, it's time to focus on marketing it to reach the right audience. Effective marketing is key to driving sales and building a loyal reader base. Start by using Amazon ads, which allow you to target people who are already browsing books on the platform. By choosing relevant keywords and setting a budget, you can drive targeted traffic to your ebook and increase visibility. Social media is another powerful tool. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and valuable tips related to your ebook's topic. Engaging with your followers and creating a personal connection can help generate interest and excitement around your book. Email marketing is also incredibly effective. If you have an email list, send out an announcement about your launch, offer exclusive discounts, or share valuable content related to the book. Additionally, consider offering a limited time discount or running a KDP Select free promotion to attract initial readers and gather reviews. Another great strategy is to reach out to bloggers, influencers, or reviewers within your niche to ask for a review or mention. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take action on publishing your ebook, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Also, make sure to subscribe for more tips on making money online, publishing your work, and all things digital marketing.